Welcome to this tutorial on how to cash out from your Robinhood account. First, you will need to open the Robinhood app on your mobile device or log into your account on the website. Make sure you are signed in and have access to your account to begin the process. Once you are in your account, navigate to your account balance, which is usually displayed at the top of the screen. Tap on it to see your available funds. From there, you will need to select the option to transfer money or withdraw funds. The app or website will prompt you to choose the banking account where you would like to send your funds. Ensure that your bank account is linked to your Robinhood account for this to work smoothly. After selecting your bank account, choose the amount you want to withdraw. It is important to note that you can only cash out the available cash balance in your account, so make sure you have funds available for withdrawal. Once you have entered the amount, confirm the transaction. You may receive a prompt asking you to verify the withdrawal through your account authentication method. Finally, after you confirm the withdrawal, your request will be processed. Depending on your bank and Robinhood's policies, it may take a few days for the funds to appear in your bank account. Be sure to keep an eye on your bank statement to see when the funds are transferred. If you have any questions or run into issues during this process, you can always reach out to Robinhood's customer support for assistance.